Hey guys, Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Stuart, Florida. Okeechobee, Florida, sorry. I'm here to show you the Forest River Cardinal 3727 model. Alright, so we just stepped in the door and you'll notice this beautiful countertops, undermounted sink, lots of counter space, 3-burner stove with oven. The cabinets just kind of flow into the living room. 4-door refrigerator by Dometic, nice and big. Cabinet space around. Got your pantry in here. Nice and big spaces. Can customize it yourself with any cabinet saving tools you may have or accessories. Nice wood-like floor. Makes it very homey. Nice wraparound entertainment couch. Turns into a bed as well. Beautiful, beautiful flat screen TV that can automatically go down into the base of this cabinet or into the inside of the cabinet and be hidden away during travel or when you don't want it out. Beautiful valances throughout. We have day shades and night shades. Easy to pull down. Freestanding dinette here. It's a little dark. Alright, let's head over into the bedroom area. First, here are all of your controls. Alright. Give it a little bit of focus, and this is our very nice queen size bed. Looks to be a full queen. Mirrored slides, washer and dryer for hookups, more storage back there, and of course flat screen TV here, and more storage under here as well. Alright, let's take a look outside real quick. It's a little windy out there, so pardon the noise. Alright, so frameless windows, automatic awnings, 2 of them. Beautiful slide here on the right. 4 steps up, beautiful color. LED lights here on the sides to help when you're docking up. Enough room to put a generator under there if you so wish. We also have 2 more slides on this side. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us. It's 863-623-4689. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.